How to change your voice on Clubhouse. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can change your voice on Clubhouse. To change your voice on Clubhouse, the major option is to use a third-party app like Voice Mode. So how do you use this app? Just go to your Play Store. Alright, head over to your Play Store and then go to the search page, click on the search box, and then type voice mode. Then you search for it, and then you can see the application here. Once you can see it, click on install and then install the application. After you select the application, launch the app and select a voice effect. Alright, after selecting a voice effect, open Clubhouse and then start a conversation. And the voice mode will automatically apply the selected voice effect. So this is basically how to change your voice on Clubhouse. Just ensure you get this voice mode application, launch the app, select a voice effect, open your Clubhouse, and then start a conversation. Voice mode will automatically apply the selected voice effect that you have chosen. Thank you for watching and have a good day.